What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake platforms, a lot of people making fake pages, acting like me, scamming people. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody so you can make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, yes, I'm about to give y'all some more gems. I'm about to drop some more gems. I'm about to show y'all where y'all get y'all a small business growth fund grant. Yes, a grant up to $25,000, but you gotta hurry up, right? Because the deadline is coming up soon. And I was just told about this grant so I can give it out to my people, and I'm going to give it out to my people. So if anybody out there that has a small business and needs funding, that needs a grant up to $25,000, here you go. Here goes some gems for you. Here where you go to get your free money. All right, so if you need $25,000 in grant funds for your small business, Hello Alice will give you that. Just go apply, go sign up, and you'll have a chance to get that. All right, so without further ado, let's check out Hello Alice to see how you can get your $25,000 small business grant today. Okay, so Hello Alice, $5,000 to $25,000 grants for small businesses. All right, when small businesses succeed, everyone benefits. In partnership with the Global Entrepreneurship Network (GEN) and with funding from SSC and Progressives, the Small Business Growth Fund provides small business owners the capital they need to make their next move. Recipients will receive $5,000 to $25,000 grants to accelerate their growth and achieve their goals in 2023. All right, so applications are now open. Eligible businesses must be a for-profit business located or registered in one of the 50 states, Puerto Rico, or District of Columbia. All right, so anybody can register as long as you're a profit organization, a profit business. Have less than $1 million in 2022 gross annual revenue. So if you made less than $1 million last year in 2022, you qualify. Have to commit to their customers and community. Have a clear plan for how the funds will help them achieve a significant growth in 2023. So a clear business plan. All right, I'll be telling y'all about them business plans. So what to expect when you apply? Sign up for a free Hello Alice account. When you gain access grants, financing, programs, resources, and a community of over 1 million entrepreneurs, complete your small business growth fund application. It should take less than 1 hour to apply. Applications closed April 21st, 2023 at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Our team will begin reviewing applications after this deadline. We plan to announce recipients by the end of May. All right, so go check out Hello Alice. They got $25,000 to $25,000 grants going out. They got different funding. They got the benefits that can drive growth, access to experts with no annual fees. The Small Business MasterCard is a card made for small businesses. So they got cards. Let's check out that credit card too for the people who looking to get a credit card. Start here, grow anywhere. Benefits that drive growth, access to experts, and no annual fees. The Hello Alice Small Business MasterCard is a credit card made for small businesses. All right, so the Hello Alice Small Business MasterCard, one-on-one business coaching, access to session with professional advisors available on demand, $0, no annual fees, perfect, a true business credit card with no annual fees so you can save money, 0% intro APR on purchase, and balance transfers. The first 6 billing cycles are account opening. After that, the variable APR based on a prime rate between 19.24 and 28.24 depending on your credit worthiness. $100 statement credit, limit time offer. Now, get a $100 statement credit when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 billing cycles. after your account opening. One credit per business account. One credit per business account offer ends April 30th, 2023. All right, so make sure y'all go tap into their credit card. Earn points to celebrate your earnings when your credit card spends. All right, so points, 4 times the points for every dollar spent on eligible wireless telephone services or business software purchases. 3 times the points for every dollar spent on eligible office supplies and shipping purchases. 2 times the points for every dollar spent on eligible ride share and restaurant purchases. 1.5 times the points for every dollar spent on all other purchases. All right, so earn Hello Alice points by engaging with your platform built for small business owners like you. All right, so 150 points when you update your profile on Hello Alice. 100 points when you log into your Hello Alice account 3 days in a row. 100 points when you complete your program on Hello Alice. All right, so redeem points, virtual learning events, unlock access to events and workshops. Cash back on eligible purchases, gift cards. Choose from your favorite travel, dining, and retail brands. All right, so additional card member benefits. So 24/7 business assistant, MasterCard ID theft protection, zero liability protection, confidence knowing that your financial institution that issued your MasterCard won't hold you responsible for unauthorized transactions, car retail insurance, reimbursement for covered physical damage and or theft of the rental vehicle with primary protection. So, and these are just some facts about Hello Alice. What rewards and benefits are offered with Hello Alice? What is the Hello Alice business MasterCard? Do you need it? Why do I need that business card? So just some things like that. All right. So then I got the just different facts. All right. So you looking for a $25,000 grant, $5,000 to $25,000 grant? Check out Hello Alice. You're looking for a business credit card? Check out Hello Alice. Deadlines is the 21st and the 30th. Don't miss out. They're giving out a $100 statement credit. Don't miss out on that, and go get y'all some business funding. So without further ado, let's talk about Hello Alice. All right, so let's talk about it. Hello Alice, they're giving out $5,000 to $25,000 in grants. All right, the deadline is April 21st. It's April 12th, so make sure y'all go jump on and apply for that. Make sure y'all got y'all LLCs, y'all business plans, and all that in order, and you will have a great chance of getting approved or winning this $5,000 to $25,000 grant. Also, make sure you check out their Master Business Card for small businesses. They got good rewards, no annual fees, high limits, and as long as you got a good PayNet and a business Equifax score, you can get approved for this MasterCard. All right, now, make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all checking out these loans. Make sure y'all checking out these grants. Make sure y'all paying more attention to y'all credit, y'all personal credit, so y'all can start leveraging it towards y'all business credit and start getting these business credit cards, lines of credits, and loans, major loans that you guys want and need so bad. All right, because at the end of the day, it takes money to make money, and when you run a business, that's the rules. That's how it goes. All right. So this channel, we're going to be focusing on credit. This channel, we're going to be focusing on loans. This channel, we're going to be focusing on credit cards and grants. So you guys can get approved. You guys can get ahead. You guys can start funding your businesses, your small businesses. You guys can get free money. Now, let me put it to you in these type of terms. All right. Loans are free money. Well, not free money. Well, sort of, kind of, because let's say I get my paydex score together. Let's say I get my PayNet score together for my business, right? And I get approved for a $20,000 loan or line of credit, right? And I have a business set, like, okay, I'm gonna use this $20,000 line of credit and I'm gonna invest it into my clothing line or into my credit business or into my production company. I'm gonna go buy me a camera. I'm gonna go buy me this computer and all this different software stuff, right? So I can start producing more videos, more content, more gaming, more things that people watch and be entertained with on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, Snapchat, all these different platforms, Twitch, right? So you got to understand that no one's just going to give you money. No one's just going to give you a bad personal loan. No one's just going to give you a bad credit business loan. No one's just going to give you money because they feel sorry for you. If they can't see that you're going to be able to pay them money back, that money back that they lend you, they're not going to give it to you. That's just like in real life. Somebody be like, hey, let me borrow $100. And when they ask you, can you borrow $100? And you know them not to have money, they ain't never got no money, they can't never pay for nothing, you ain't never seen them with a certain amount, or you know that they ain't gonna give it back, you're not gonna wanna loan them no money. You're not gonna wanna loan them that $100 because you know deep down inside that you're not gonna get that $100 back. You know they're gonna procrastinate, they're gonna say, I got you, they're gonna say some stuff like, all loans I owe you money, you'll never be broke. They be saying stuff like that, right? That's how the banks are looking at a lot of people. They look, okay, say, oh, somebody's applying for this $20,000 loan. Okay, so we got their social security number, right? So let's go check out their credit report. Okay, let's check out this, let's check out that. Nah, y'all paper trail don't be good enough for them to be lending out them loans. And y'all don't be understanding that. You have to look good on paper in order to get these loans, credit cards, lines of credit, whatever you need to deals with money. You have to be credible. It has to look good on paper for you to be able to get approved for it. Point blank period. I don't care if it's a CPN. I don't care business. I don't care if it's personal. It has to look good on paper. It has to look right on paper. I don't care if you got $100,000 at your house. If it don't look good on paper, you will not get approved for that $100,000 loan because you don't have $100,000 on paper. And technically, whatever's counted on paper is what you have. You could be a millionaire, but you don't got $1 million on paper, you're technically not a millionaire because they don't know that. And then when they do find out that, they gonna want a piece of their cut. And that's what y'all be failing to realize. Easy. So when I be teaching credit, when I be giving y'all these gems, these sauce, like how to get approved for grants, please listen to me. Please hear me out, and please take notes. And because no one's gonna give you free money if you don't have a business plan. If you can't show them that, hey, I want this $25,000 is going towards production, new computers for the kids, this for the kids, this for that, and this and this and this and this for your product, they're not going to give it to you. If you can't prove to these lenders or banks that you can pay back them $20, $30, $40, $50,000, $10, $3, $4, $5,000, if it's not accounted for on paper, they're not going to give it to you. Your credit score is not all that matters when getting approved for these type of things. Is what they're looking for. It's other things that plays a part in getting approved for these things. And that's why I make these videos, so you guys can know what else they're looking for, so you guys can have a better chance at getting approved for these type of things. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all really paying attention to these videos, not just skimming through until I get to talking. Nah, that's lame. Stop doing that, because y'all be missing out on me telling y'all how to contact me and do business, and then y'all contact me how I tell y'all not to contact me, and then get mad when I tell y'all to stop writing me. Because at the end of the day, this is my business. I'm here to help real people. I'm not here to play around. I'm here to help people elevate. So if you can't follow instructions, I don't even want to take your money. I don't even want to do business with you, because that's letting me know already I'm gonna have a hard time dealing with you and work with you. I only work with people who know how to follow instructions. Y'all too grown to not be able to know how to follow instructions. And then y'all get mad when somebody don't want to work with you because you don't know how to follow instructions. In the business world, nobody's going to play with anybody. This is business. To become successful, you got to know how to handle business. I have a degree in business. So understand that I'm a businessman, and I will not waste my time with anybody that's not trying to handle business. All right? Be serious, be ready to elevate, and be ready to work. And I guarantee you'll be successful, and you'll be where you need to be. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, new fans, and subscribers and supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going, keep dropping these videos, keep dropping the sauce, keep dropping these methods, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all, all right? Anybody looking to get credit lessons, you want to learn how to build and clean your credit, it's going to be $600. If you want me to build and clean your credit for you, it's going to start at $1,500, all right? So credit lessons start at $600. You want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. Get your FaceTime Unlimited Gems 101s, $1,200. Unlimited Gems is unlimited gems. So whatever you need to know, I'm going to tell you, all right? Documents, how to make passive income, how to invest CPNs, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, all that good stuff like that, all right? So FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gyms is $1,200. No exceptions. Come get y'all mentorships, $2,500. Everything with the unlimited gyms. Plus, we're going to make YouTube channels together, make passive income together. I'm going to give you certain extra documents. I'm going to teach you about the dark web, DW, all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in and getting mentorships and start making money with me, all right? YouTube channel start making $20,000. You get 10, I get 10. As long as you putting in your work and holding your weight, all right? Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person limited gyms, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's $4,500. You come in the state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit. You pay the rest of the money when we meet in person. We're going to get to work, all right? We're going to start making a lot of money together, all right? Also, I'm invading South Beach, Miami, Florida, so book your seat right now in the crypto tour. Miami is going to be May 26th through the 29th, $3,500. In-person limited gyms. Come learn how to run this bag up. Come run the bag up with me. We're going to make a lot of money while we in Miami. So if you tap in, 10 slots available. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. Everybody who books for Miami, the lessons is $3,500. No 45. It's all $3,500. All right, so book right now. Don't miss out. Crypto tour, invading South Beach. We finna run it up. We finna have a good time. I'm finna teach y'all some methods. If you listen to me, you'll be able to make some money while you're in Miami and go run it up. All right, so make sure y'all do that. Still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, content creators. All right, so music reviews, $200. You trying to get your chain, you trying to get your watch, you trying to run up a bag. Tap in. Music reviews, $200. Once you pay, I'm going to check you out. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Watch I invest $200,000 into you. All right, make it make sense. Also, models, look for beautiful women out there that's ready to elevate, ready to get their face on the screen, get their platform and brand out there, ready to become a boss, a real queen like they set out to be. Have a good attitude, good head on their shoulders. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. All right, I'm only here to guide people in the right direction. I'm only here to put people in the right field that they want to be in. You think there's just going to be some here, do this and do that, and you finna get some free money, it's not going to happen. If you're not trying to put in no work, it's not going to happen, because I'm going to have you doing podcasts, blogs, music videos, reaction channels. I'm going to have you doing so much that's going to produce you some money that if you're not built for it, don't even worry about it, all right? So any woman out there that's ready to elevate, get their life on the right track, you tired of stripping, you tired of being naked and not getting paid for it, tap in. I'm going to show you the right direction to go, all right? Cameraman out there, real videographers, if you record a video, you go home and you edit the video, tap in with me. 4K or better cameras. You in Houston, Texas, or surrounding areas or can travel, tap in. And let's continue to win. Let's continue to get this money. Let's continue to get this credit together. Let's continue to get this loans and credit cards that y'all need, that we all need, and continue on the race to become a multi-millionaires, man. It's early in the morning. I'm dropping these gems. So without further ado, you know how I get down to the end of these videos. I see you at the next gym session. Peace.